5 best dropshipping suppliers in Israel. Israel is a thriving hub for e-commerce and innovation, making it a fantastic market for dropshipping businesses. With its strategic location and access to high-quality products, partnering with reliable suppliers in Israel can help you scale your business while catering to both local and international markets. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Israel to help you grow your online store and deliver great service to your customers. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Israel. Whether you're sourcing electronics, fashion, beauty products, or specialty items, these suppliers will provide you with reliable inventory, competitive pricing, and fast shipping to elevate your dropshipping business. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's get started. At number 5, Zap Marketplace. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Zap Marketplace, one of Israel's largest online marketplaces. What they offer: Zap features a wide range of products, including electronics, home goods, fashion, and beauty items. Why they're great for dropshipping. With local sellers and competitive prices, Zap makes it easy to source high-demand products for your store. Shipping advantage. Zap's local logistics ensure fast delivery within Israel, which is perfect for catering to the domestic market. If you're looking for a trusted marketplace with diverse product options, Zap is a great place to start. At number 4, Trade Easy. Coming in at number 4 is Trade Easy, a popular platform for B2B and dropshipping services in Israel. What they offer: Trade Easy connects you with suppliers offering categories like electronics, fashion, home decor, and more. Why they're popular. Their focus on connecting local manufacturers and wholesalers makes it easy to source authentic products. Shipping advantage. By working with local suppliers, Trade Easy provides faster delivery options and reduces logistical challenges. If you want to work with trusted local suppliers and target the Israeli market, Trade Easy is a fantastic partner. At number 3, TopDog. Next up at number 3 is TopDog, a global dropshipping platform that includes suppliers based in Israel. What they offer: TopDog provides a range of products, including electronics, pet supplies, beauty, and home goods. Why it's great for dropshipping. Their easy integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce makes managing your store a breeze. Shipping advantage. Israeli suppliers on TopDog offer quicker shipping options for local and regional customers. If you're looking for automation and access to diverse products, TopDog is an excellent platform to explore. At number 2, Alibaba, Israeli suppliers. Coming in at number 2 is Alibaba, the global B2B platform with many suppliers based in Israel. What they offer: Alibaba connects you to a wide variety of products, including high-tech gadgets, beauty products, and specialty items from Israeli suppliers. Why they're great for dropshipping. Many suppliers offer bulk pricing, private labeling, and customization, helping you build a unique brand. Shipping advantage. Partnering with Israeli suppliers on Alibaba ensures faster delivery times to both local and international customers. If you're looking for scalable and customizable sourcing solutions, Alibaba's Israeli suppliers are a great resource. At number 1, Buy to Dropship. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Buy to Dropship, a dedicated dropshipping platform based in Israel. What they offer. Buy to Dropship specializes in categories like electronics, fashion, home goods, and beauty products sourced from local suppliers. Why they're the best. With a focus on the Israeli market, Buy to Dropship provides tailored solutions and competitive pricing for dropshipping businesses. Shipping advantage. Their local expertise ensures fast and reliable delivery to customers in Israel and beyond. If you're serious about running a successful dropshipping business in Israel, Buy2Dropship is the ultimate partner to work with. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Israel. Let's quickly recap the list. Buy2Dropship, best overall for local expertise and tailored dropshipping solutions. Alibaba, Israeli suppliers, ideal for scalable and customizable product sourcing. TopDog, great for automation and diverse product options. TradeEasy, perfect for sourcing authentic Israeli products with fast delivery. Zap Marketplace, a trusted marketplace for accessing a variety of high-demand products. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.